So this is my PB Swiss Precision Screwdriver Set tool review. This is one of my favorite screwdriver tool rolls that I've owned. I've owned it for only about 6 months now, and I'd panic without it. I previously owned a PB Swiss Precision Screwdriver Set that came with less drivers, which were still great, but with the larger tool roll, it has everything I need. All I had to do was swap out a few interchangeable precision tools, and it was customized to my needs. Some of these are from the original package. Other driver heads I've swapped so that it fits my needs better. Here's how the screwdriver looks. All you have to do is connect it here, and you're set to go. Once this tool roll is buttoned up, I can easily stash it away in my main tool bag, which used to be also a PB Swiss tool product. My tidy tool set meets most of my immediate screwdriver needs, partly due to swapping out the drivers with the ones that I'll use more often. It's my advice to remove drivers that you don't need in exchange for drivers that you'll use frequently. I have an assortment of Phillips heads, small, medium, large, slotted screwdrivers for flat heads. There's hexagonal socket screws, or hex keys. These are used more commonly for international products. Here's an insulated flathead for electronic work. One of my favorites is the secondary tool roll. This comes with a combination handle, and it happens to be really good for electronic work. If you've ever worked with circuit boards or electronic products that demand smaller precision heads, I would definitely recommend getting this tool set, especially because it already comes with an insulated flathead for electronic work. All of the drivers have a hardened steel tip with a sharp cut in order to bite into any of the most challenging screw heads. This miniature screwdriver set comes with 16 different driver heads of different shapes and sizes. The compact imitation leather roll-up case feels like leather, but the material is synthetic. One of the best features of this screwdriver kit is that it looks incredibly organized. If you're doing work in front of customers, they can see that you're very tidy, organized, and ready to work on whatever's needing to be done. All of the drivers here are individually secured to the roll and are attractively presented. I think it makes a huge difference, especially when doing work in front of the customers and clients. Switching out each driver is effortless and can be done quickly, partly due to the organized layout. With the Swiss grip handle, it's easier to drive high torque directly into the screw. It's a little bit rubbery, but is definitely easy to torque. The knurled grip comes in handy because it gives you more options to rotate the screwdriver. I've always felt like I'm a better technician when working with these tools because it makes life so easy. I've actually purchased 2 of these kits, one to give away to some other technicians because it makes life easy, and I highly recommend it.